No.
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
Yeah, move it round. You probably have to refocus. No, rotate. That's it. No, bring it this way, like that.
Oh, I get. Oh,
You
yeah.
might need to have to focus it again now.
I don't look like it. We've got you on tape.
It's all right.
You're on film.
Right.
The display of aggression. Very aggressive Alsatian, isn't it, when he's arrived?
Padding off.
God, we're going to have the dog eating them now under our nose. That's just going to be too much. Oh no.
Let's see that
A superb bit of David Attenborough filming.
Dead geese. Oh no, I really don't think I'm going to enjoy this.
Just come and say hello.
Yeah, Jim.
Come on, Chris, this is excellent, David. To show them putting their heads up.
That's the little grade calling.
That's a whistling.
Yeah.
Where is the little geese?
How they're coming to try and scare us.
Which I can also see.
Where is it? Because I wanted to head open and try and have a gun providing
See, it's a question of patience, but I mean, it would mean a lot of patience, is what I was saying before. You know, you'd have to wait for a long time.
Did you get those geese for chasing that dog?
That'll be really
good.
Oh, here comes another goose.
Here's another goose right close. It must have its nest right there.
It's such things with their nest.
So are there 3 pairs of geese nesting, Chris?
Well, no, I don't think any nesting yet, but I hope at least one pair should nest, shouldn't they? Or will do, I'm sure.
So I think the 2 pairs nested last year, and now that the pike's gone.
The little greens should be successful.
Is the pike gone?
They eat their own
One
species.
monster, then he's quite likely to leave them all the others.
There's probably budding monsters in the wings.
They might well be monsters in the wings, but if the main one has gone,
Yeah, Alsatian.
that was good news, Jonathan. Possibly.
That was clever, yeah. I once caught a pike, yeah.
Do you? The one Jonathan Foster caught was about 4 feet long.
But did Jonathan catch it? I thought the story was the little boy caught it.
And a little boy who was visiting the Fosters caught it, got it on his line, and Jonathan leapt into the lake.
Thinking.
That dog's still running about over there. I don't think there should be loose dogs running around Ditchley by themselves.
No.
Who's it?
I've never seen it before.
Crisis is looming.
No, it's about there, because there was 3 of them hanging in the race.
When you go up to the house, you may flush them out of that reed bed on the other side. We'll film you. Anyway, it's provided an outdoor setting. No standing with these people, you see. They're flying.
Amazing noise on the wings. Did you get those? of who's going to nest where. Because they probably haven't nested yet, have they, Chris?
No, no.
They're just sorting themselves out, aren't they?
Oh, you hope you're getting the tufted ducks, Jim. I mean, just recalled it so we knew that they were actually here. People could... Oh, now they're going to come round to that side, so they won't... Now that's the alarm call.
Right, are you aimed on
That corner,
on
Jim.
that corner?
Yeah.
So if I say press the button,
Mm-hmm.
because you may not be able to actually... No, they chickened out of going into the replay.
Someone's going on to the replay.
Yeah. Still quite a good ear for...
Is it difficult?
Zoomed up and someone to stop it. You feel me?
Afternoon.
What?